So hey guys, what is up? So 2016 is finally over. And grabe, sobrang bilis ng 2016. Kasi siguro for me, sobrang daming stressful events na nangyari ngayon 2016. Sobrang daming pagsubok kong pinagdaanan. Kaya parang hindi ko na rin naramdaman na lumilipas na pala yung panahon. Pero despite all those stressful events, sobrang daming life achievements din ang na-attain ko or na-achieve ko this 2016. Ito na sigurong 2016 yung pinaka-productive kong taon sa buong buhay ko, sa buong 20 years na pagkabuhay ko. So in this video, I just wanna look back and share with you guys kung ano yung mga bagay na na-achieve ko ngayon 2016 at siguro ito na yung mga bagay na pwede kong ipagmalaki sa aking buhay pero hindi naman para ipagmayabang. So let's get started with my 2016 Archie Life Rewind! So January 23, 2016, I was able to attend yung first ever solo concert ng EXO dito sa Pilipinas. And being a huge K-pop fan and an EXO-L, sobrang malaking achievement for me ang maging part ng Silver Ocean ng EXO and witness them perform live up close like this close. Feeling talaga na parang yung mga taong pinapanood mo lang dati sa screen ng laptop mo ay bigla mo nakita in person at masasabing totoo pala sila. Ganito pala itsura nila in person, yung typical na feeling ng isang fan. So here's a short clip of EXO performing one of my favorite songs, Love Me Right. Another achievement ko this 2016 is that yung pinaghirapan naming pieces ay nasali sa colloquium ng aming college. At pinalad pa kami maging contestant sa search for the best undergraduate oral research presentation ng aming college. And after an intense defense sa harap ng mga panel, honestly, we never thought na uuwi kaming masaya and got second place for the best undergraduate oral research presentation. And I'm glad na I was able to achieve this with my friends. Then ito na, after 4 stressful and dreadful years sa CEU School of Pharmacy, April 2016, ang kuya mo nakagraduate na din sa wakas. And may bonus pa, I was able to graduate college with Latin honor.
Ramon Christian Olarga, Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy, cum laude.
Sino ba namang mag-aakala na yung probinsyanong Nognog ay magkakaroon ng ganitong achievement sa buhay niya? Akala ko yung pag-graduate ko ng college ang magiging highlight ng aking 2016. Hindi pala. After graduating, I immediately prepared for my June 2016 pharmacy licensure exam. I attended review classes, got stressed sa pagre-review, pero after all those stressful days during the review and prayers kay Lord at sa lahat ng santo, June 14, 2016, lumabas ang result ng board exam at ang kuya mo, registered pharmacist na. Everything was all worth it. So the night na nakita ko yung results ng board exam, sa sobrang saya ko, I made a cover of the Trumpets Challenge na very sikat that time.
Make the trumpets blow!
And actually, I made this video just to show how happy I am that day. But I didn't expect na yung video ko would go viral and reach 96,000 views. And since underage pa ako at hindi ko pa pwedeng makuha yung license ko, I enrolled for the Doctor Pharmacy program sa CEU. So to formally declare yung aking pagpasa sa pharmacy licensure exam, July 2016, I took oath as one of the new pharmacists of this country. And remember this video? The same day ng oath taking ko, it got featured sa mga kwento ni Mark Logan. I was so shocked kasi hindi ko naman alam na kahit isang segundo lang ay mafe-feature ako sa isang TV program. September 2016, I was able to attend the first ever K-pop music show dito sa Pilipinas, ang MBC The Show. Isang K-pop show sa Korea who celebrated their 20th anniversary dito sa Pilipinas. And I was lucky enough to see several K-pop artists perform live. The same month, September 2016, I got influenced to start my own YouTube channel, Archie Live. And ngayon lang December, just before Christmas, I got my first 100 subscribers for my channel. So my 2016 wasn't bad after all pala. I was able to achieve a lot of things. And sana ngayon 2017, magpatuloy-tuloy at maging productive itong year na to para sa akin. At sana gayon din sa inyo.